Good morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the ISO 45001 and 2018 clause number 5, which are discuss about the leadership and worker participations. Worker participations, you know that already we have many times discussed about those things. So today again we are going to discuss about the worker participations because of this is a very important part and important things if you are going to develop a ISO 45001 2018 at your workplace. So guys, why we are talking about the same things on many times, because of this is very important. In entire of ISO 45001 and 2018, there is mainly focus on the worker participation and consultations. So guys, this is a fact too. If you are going to improvements a good health safety cultures at your workplace, then you must be involvement of worker and worker participations. Today we are going to discuss, and today also I am watching a video from USA, some webinar. There is mainly focus on only he focus on worker participations. Why importance of worker participations? You know that. As a practically I observed that, and I have seen that at our workplace, because worker participations, whenever we are going to some related the worker participations, consultations from worker, then worker really are very happy to say and interact between the any observations, any improvement about the safety, because they are thinking about we are also a honor and taking ownership to work. Because if you are asking, suppose that some workers asking how to develop good health safety cultures, so workers that time very surprised. Sir are asking to me about the safety. So that times very excited to improvements and very motivational and motivate to who heartily motivate to express and deliver some gap and some idea, some good observations. So this is very important. So if you are going to worker participations, then very helpful to you make a good health safety cultures at your workplace. Related those are all things, because the type of worker participations you can you have working a construction fields, then also you know that if you are going to conduct toolbox talk, that times you can ask somebody, he tell us some about the safety, because workers are very happy to say some futures, some past incident and past any observations, any accidents from others projects, and another side which are experience related the accident. So this is a most effective to improvements, because of if gathers all workers in your toolbox talk, that times you can deliver some safety speech by the safety officers, by the engineers, and that times ask to somebody, it tell us some past incident. So that times some workers excited to who share all those peoples among which are stand, which are the which are listens and listen and toolbox talk, and attend the toolbox talk. I can say attend the toolbox talk. That times workers deliver the speech and workers deliver the past incident. That times very excited to others all workers, because of workers connect with the workers, connectivity to workers and workers speech connectivity is matured. So workers 100% motivate to and listen and hear and and understood about the safety. So this is most effective. If you are going to conduct toolbox talk, then must be participations and involvement of workers to deliver some past incident. Second thing we have discussed. Second thing we will discuss, if you are going to some motivational program. Some motivational, why we are going to motivational program? Because of workers excited to achievement some small milestones related the safety. Because many organizations, many constructions industry also prepare and also make a good plan for motivational programs every month wise. Because I am also doing same. Because motivational program is a part of work, we can say part of work, and this is very fantastic idea to implement a better health safety cultures. If 5%, 2% workers, motivated workers are awarded at some gift, some other things which are attractive to workers. So gift will be gift should be attractive, like the tiffin box, like the some glasses, some other things which are attract to workers. So that times you have if awarded to some peoples which are working and you, in your project, some 100 people, suppose that 100 people working in your organization, that times 5 people rewards recognize due to because of they are good health safety cultures maintaining at workplace. That time you can explain that everyone's doing the good work, everyone is doing the good work, but this is a very effort and outstanding effort at site, so that we are going to we have awarded to them. So don't worry about next motivational programs. Everyone may be appreciated to come with me and take rewards and recognize. So that times workers are excited. Oh my God, 5% awarded from good health safety cultures. I will also do that. I can do that everything which are required at projects. So that time very helpful to you as a safety professional. Then also monitor them. If you are guideline, if you are provided some instruction, if you are going to some PP, use of PP, some workers are very attracted. Oh my God, safety persons has become safety persons monitoring at site, and my result will be he monitor that. So that times workers, every workers unity to improvements a good health safety culture. So this is very important for worker participations and involvement. Second thing we are going to discuss about the if any incidents, if any first aid cases, if any lagging indicators are suppose the first aid cases, observations, some mistakes, some human behaviors based issue. So all those things which are coming from your observations, then they can also very helpful to if you are going to conduct a toolbox talks, and others ask two persons, worker participants. Suppose the 10 and 10 people working in that area. Some people say, what is your problem? So what happened there? What happened yesterday in that particular area? Because of you are try to hide. So please tell me what happened. Directly you can ask them. Then some workers, oh my God, sir is no. So they can understood. If not happen, then nobody tell us. If someone some mistake, some mishaps happen in the surrounding the area, then workers express that. Workers deliver that message, sir, or yesterday, yes, some mistakes happen is there. So this is a worker involvement and interactions between the employers and employee and workers. So that can very helpful to you if you are going to develop a good health safety cultures. And also ask them if any observations found, there is nothing, there is solution is there, but again ask to workers what happened, what we should do if there is not repeated that type of observation. Please tell us what is the reasons for or repeated observation, how can reduce that observation. So workers are very excited and think about properly, because of they are very experienced person, and so they are doing the continuous work of constructions related and continuous connectivity with materials and equipments and process and hazards. Also that they are facing that problems every time with even if night work. So we are not able to 100% monitoring on that particular area, but workers are very intelligent to together working that area. Some mishap happen, some maybe mistakes happen, but there is nothing to hide that hide that type of near misses and accidents. So guys, how to fearless, how to make a free environment, so nobody you workers hesitations to talk everyone. So that time cultures must be provided. Cultures means heartily connect with work, connect with them, then we can improvement a good health safety culture. So because of so we are talking about the accident. If any accident happen and you are not aware, your employer not aware, your supervisor not aware, and everything not aware, then directly ask to workers, dear, what happened yesterday? I listen, I heard some mistakes happen. So some people directly ask me with confidently, because of you can say that safety is important. Safety is your family and not our family. Everyone responsible for safety. So please, if hide any incident, first aid cases, then how we can improve good health safety culture. So that times workers hardly say, sir, there is happen some mistake, there is happen some incidents, but some people are instructed me don't say anyone. So this is a good thing, because of I know that this is my experience to also that type of message taking from the workers and from the employers. So this is very fantastic idea to worker participation and consultations if you are going to develop a good health safety culture at your workplace. So guys, you know that near miss first aid cases also involvement of workers, because workers involvement better to improvement and better idea to approach to good improvement at your environment and health safety cultures. Next we will discuss if in case of emergency happen at your workplace. So in case of emergency happen, and so we have already emergency plans, emergency teams, members, and stretcher, first aid, doctors, nearby hospital, ambulance, everything is there. Everything which are required related the emergency plan we have there. But that times workers participation is very important. So that we are going to conducting a EPR emergency mock drill at your workplace. Emergency mock drill, if you are going to conduct emergency mock drills, after the completions of mock drill, after the conclude of a mock drill, that times ask some workers, what is observed you during our mock drill period. So workers, many people are aware, so many people are well experienced, well knowledgeable, but I cannot understand who are well experienced persons, so who are very intelligent persons. So that time so we can identify them. So stand by all workers, so we can ask someone, tell me what happens, what is their gap if you are going to whenever we have conducting a mock drill, what is their gap, what is their some mistakes, we have do mistakes, then we can lost of life. So some people can come into your front of you and then tell you what is, sir, this is a problem, sir, our ambulance is reached late. So maybe might be observe, and you can say. So that observations must be incorporate in our filing, in our process, in our idea which are filing. So must be incorporate all workers, and we can that workers are Mr. Ram Mohan Soha instructed and observed that at mistakes, observe that gap during the mock drill plan. what are the next plans, what are the solutions is there. This is a mistake, this is a solutions to improvements for next mock drill. So this is a idea to work of participations and consultations, so useful, very, very useful if you are going to develop, if you are going to some steps grow health safety cultures and organizations also. So this is very fantastic idea to worker participation and consultations. After that, you know that if you are working in your labor camps, that times also very useful if you are going to work, conduct toolbox talks and other meeting, safety meeting. 2-5 workers are some members which are very fluent and very knowledgeable persons, very union persons. We can choose and instruct them. If any problems is there, then directly call to me. Then workers also think, oh my God, I am a good things, I am a ownership, I am part of also company. So company also giving in some responsibility to deliver that message. So this is a idea to improvement. This is idea to collect of data, where are going on, what is going on side, what is going on level and whatever the happens. So this is a things, because of I am faced that problems. Some my idea is same to improvement a good health safety culture, because everyone should not do which we cannot do, then we workers can do. Workers participations improvements. So this is very important topic. Topic worker participation and consultations. If you are going to do some erections of non-routine work, if you are going to erections tower, passenger lift, everything, there you can ask. Some idea must be identified or incorporate in your filings. Because of this, sometimes idea is very fantastic. I am also not aware about those things, but workers are aware, because they are experienced persons. They are monitoring every month, 3 months, 4 months, and different, working in different organizations. So there is some people learn more and more, because of some people working in L&T, some people are working. Worker is not binded, not connected with singles organizations. They are, whenever 2 rupees, 10 rupees, more the extent they can go. So this is that types of workers are very initiative, very knowledgeable persons. So that time you can ask that machines we are using, what is fault in that machine. So also workers, some idea must be incorporated, must be given also. So I know that. So guys, if you are working as safety professionals, you want to make a good health safety culture, then first you should incorporate worker participation and consultations at your workplace. Thanks for watching my video.